To install your MSS Plus cabinets, you'll need a level, tape measure, 5mm rounded hex, 6mm rounded hex, PH2 screwdriver. Uncrate the cabinets, remove them from the pallet and place near final location. You'll need to remove the bottom two drawers, cover panels, and shelves to access the cabinet bottom for leveling. You can do this by removing the push pin before removing the drawer. Using the level the cabinets while matching them to one another by using your 5mm rounded hex and accessing the screw at the bottom of the cabinet. If your configuration includes a bridge unit, install by inserting 2 screws into the side of the bridge unit. Insert the screw into the nut inserts from inside the adjoining cabinet. Half install screws into the bottom pole nut inserts for the initial install into the cabinet. You'll only want to insert the screws halfway. Insert the pole into the back of the cabinet, ensuring the screws go into the keyhole to secure. Now, you can install the rest of the screws into the cabinet. Loosely install back panels into the holes using 4 or 6 of provided screws. Remove top cap from pole and install screws into the top of the pole and tighten them, securing the panel to the pole. Next, hang the wall cabinet onto the upper 2 mounting locations. Hand start the lower 2 screws, which can be found in the bottom corners of each cabinet, and tighten all 4. Unpackage and align countertop. Using mounting holes in cabinet top, attach countertop using the provided screws. Finally, reinstall all shelving and drawers into their location.